Good evening, Northeast 8 Nagamis News viewers kan ajilaga main headlines. Iran Supreme ke Moraidea upor Hezbollah projectum pujurte Northern Israel te rockets or drones launch kurshi. Nagaland Foothills Road Coordination Committee pra Bhakti Division te Foothills Rasta construction kam laga quality ektam biya hua upor serious concern junaidishi. COVID era healthcare workers laga joint action committee pra Nagaland Medical Students Association pra praise statement issue krato criticize krishi. ICC Men's T20 World Cup te India second semi-final match te England logote khilibole ase. Israel aru US pra milikina Iran ke attack korikina war cholikina jai thaka majute Hezbollah Iran ke support korikina ajektum pujur fale Lebanon te pra Israel laga northern parts fale rockets or flying drones fire kurishi. Hezbollah junashiki attack ituto Iran laga Supreme Leader Ali Khamenei ke Saturday din Israeli US laga joint strikes te Moraidea laga retaliation jawab te ase koishi. Hezbollah pra attack kora pichte Israel bi Lebanon fale air strike kora shuru korishi. Rocket ekta to rukhabole parishe kote duita to open areas te girishi. Upper Galilee te bi drone alerts activate korishe kote kom se kom duita suspected drones shot korikina girai dishi. Pujur 3 baji nishnate Northern Israel te aru 3ta nishna rocket strike hoishi. Hoilebi ityatak jokhom hoa nohoile damages to report hoikina nai. Hezbollah pra attack ituto takan kurishi ko aikna responsibility claim kurikina. Jinashi ki takan Haifa laga south fale missile defense state target kurishi koishi. Attack ituto Lebanese government pra jhamalate nagusi bole request kra pichte bi. Hezbollah chief Naim Qasim pra Israel or US ke jawab diwo koikna kotha dia pichte ahalaga ase. Israel Defense Forces Chief of Staff Lieutenant General Eyal Zamir bi Janashiki military Hezbollah against ektam strong attack korble campaign launch korishi koishi jun to bishi din cholibo ase koikna janadishi. Eyal Janashiki ita Israel nijor ke bachaikla nohoikna attack pura puri kura shuru kurbo koikna state korishi. West Asia tenika war hoikina jai thaka majute Qatar Airways bi takanaga flight operations kan soft tempered suspension itito Iran pra United Arab Emirates te Abu Dhabi or Dubai Saudi Arabia laga Riyadh or Qatar laga Doha nishna important Gulf areas te military strikes launch kora pichte ahalaga ase Iran kile to cities te attack kore ase koile kile mane takan US logote alliance te thaka nimite aro takan laga cities te US laga military base thaka nimite attack korikna jaisi. Nagaland Foothills Road Coordination Committee NFHRCC pra Bhakti Division Wokha District under choli thaka Foothills Road construction te kam laga quality ektam biya hua upor serious concern junaidishi. Statement te NFHRCC allege korishe ki time te khotom kuribo aru bhal quality banabo nimite bar public appeals dikhnabi contractors kan concern ignore korishe koishe Taikan junaishi ki section bishi te itiabi deri hoaise aru kam laga quality bishi por ase koishe kote kunba hume pipe culverts reportedly khotom hoikina ek moina pichte crack hwa sabole paise koikna state krishi. Foothills Rasta project manu sob nimitte ekta dangor project ase koishe kote committee pra mati malik kan compensation noloikina dia aru NNPGs bi taxes nalobole decision loato junaidishi. Committee allege korishe ki thick fund sanction korikina bi duita contractor quality maintain korble aru project to time diate khotom korble fail hoise koikina state krishi. NFHRCC janaishi ki department prior to sal February 4 tarik din kam te deri hoi thaka aru quality biya hua upor 7 din bitor explanation mangikina shockers notice issue korishe koishe. Committee bi PWD Road and Bridges Minister G Kaito Ayepra February 7 tarik din site inspection law time minister pra reportedly shockers notice to misunderstanding te issue korishi koishe hoilibi committee junaishi ki kam ektam biya condition ho pra kam thik pra nakora sabole pai koikina notice te state kora nishna action lobole junadishi. Committee pra minister pra age de judi project to bhal standard hisab te nakorishi koile moral grounds te resign koribo kwa kotha to rakhibole junadikhna Contractors ke kam to hosate bhal pra khotom korble urge kurishi aru chief minister ke strict quality check aru project to extend kridia deadline te khotom kora sai dibole request kurishi. COVID era te appoint hua healthcare workers laga joint action committee JAC pra February 27 তাৰিখ দিন Nagaland Medical Students Association NMSA পৰা প্ৰেছ ষ্টেটমেণ্ট ইছ্যু কৰাটো গাল্টি আৰু ফেক্টছ ডে বেছ নহয় কৈ কিনা ক্ৰিটিচাইজ কৰিছে ষ্টেটমেণ্টে JAC ক্লেৰিফাই কৰিছে কি স্পেচিয়েল লিভ পিটিশ্যন SLP যোনটো সুপ্ৰিম কোৰ্টে 3 জুন পৰা ফাইল কৰিছে ইটোতো স্পেচিয়েল ৰিক্ৰুটমেণ্ট ড্ৰাইভ SRD লগা কানেকশ্যনতে চেম অগষ্ট 2024 কেবিনেট অৰ্ডাৰ লগা আছে কৈছে তাইখান জনাইছে কি সুপ্ৰিম কোৰ্ট পিটিশ্যন একচেপ্ট কৰা টাইম claims pra appointments junto state pra bunaishi to affect nahubo koikna state krishi junto pra Guwahati High Court Division Bench laga agete dia judgment opor support kure koikna junadashi covid time doctors laga post temporary thakishe kwa claim opor JAC pra statement ituto misleading galti ase koishi kote agete post covid-19 nimite temporarily bunaishi junto June sal 2020 te Special Recruitment Drive SRD laga through file kurble lagi shekoikna janadeshe committee janaishe ki doctors kan covid-19 time narokhi kina kam korikna ahanimite constitution under takan ke protect kurbonimite fear a reasonable expectation rakhe koishe NMSA pra court pra regularization mandate kurana kwa claim opor jawab dikhna JAC janaishe ki ituto reading laga adha judgment hi ase koikna janadeshe Committee August 1 तारीख साल 2024 लगा Guwahati High Court single bench लगा judgment junto pra government एकदम unusual situation time एनिका special decision law to support kurishi itu juna dekina state kurishi ki NMSA case file krubo nimite iku legal right nai koishi December 11 तारीख ja साल लगा judgment te bi division bench single judge लगा decision logote agree kurishi taikan junaishe ki state pandemic time one time special recruitment lubole authority ase aru appoint hoa khanto backdoor appointees nohoy koikna junadishi court b state ke special recruitment drive SRD under health workers ke regularized permanent kurdibule allow kurishi koishi JAC junashi ki government laga decision to court pra review korikina legally valid paishe koikna state kurishi committee b junashi ki 120 medical officer post banaishi junto pra total number ityato 391 pra 511 te uthe aru ituto healthcare system bhal ola kurubo nimite ekta positive step ase koikna junadishi itu post nutun ase aru itu pra age te pra thaka vacancies ke replace na kore koishi JAC pra NMSA ke judi association ta connectum right ase koikna bisas koile ki pra takan ke special leave petition SLP file korble rokhai ase koikna sawal kurishi Committee allege kurishi ki case September jasal pending thaka time NMSA rastate protest kurishi takan bi itia court laga judgment to ulta fale pra present korikina public laga bhabna influence korble koshish kuri ase koishi junto pra court laga authority opor hisab nakura nishna hoi jai koikina JAC pra junadeshi Sports news se ja kali rati Indian cricket team ICC Men's T20 World Cup te West Indies ke 5 wickets pra harai dikina semi finals punchishe kote next second semi-final match to England logote Wankhede Stadium Mumbai te Thursday din khilibole ase India nakhila age Wednesday din first semi-final match to South Africa aru New Zealand majute hubo kote to duita first aru second semi-final se kun jite itu khan March 8 tarikh finals junto Narendra Stadium Ahmedabad te lobole ase tate khilibole ase